Hello everyone, it's Maria here from Pepperly Rose Paper Crafting. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia. I'd like to thank you all for joining me. Today I'm just going to show you a very quick last minute Easter gift that you can give to your friends and family or to work colleagues or whoever you feel is appropriate. This is a very quick one that I'm personally using this year. And I'll be using a Good Day stamp set. This can be found in our Occasions catalogue, and I'll just bring up the page if I'm organised to find it. Very sorry. Here it is. It's on page 14 of the catalogue, and it is an adorable stamp set, and it coordinates with these two punches. And the punches are a 1 1/8 scallop punch and circle punch, and a 1 3/8 circle punch. We're going to be using the two today. They don't bundle together, but you can buy them and they do coordinate together. I'm also using the 1 1/2 inch circle punch, which can be found in our annual catalogue. And this stamp set is just adorable, very multi-purpose. It's got a deer, I love that stitch circle, a tree, bring on the sunshine, that's adorable, just because, very multi-purpose. Thank you so much. This is great, but today I'm going to focus on that little gorgeous little bunny. So we'll get started on it. I'm going to use some gold foil, and I'll show you the projects that I made. Now these are so cute. I love them. This is the natural gold trim. This can be found in our annual catalogue, and I just love that it's got a vanilla tone to it, and it's got that strip of gold right round. I think it's so cute, and it goes very well with this. So as you can see, the bunny, and it's got the circles there, and I love this DSP. This DSP is called, I've got the whole packet here, Bundle of Love, and it's a specialty DSP. In that it's a lot thicker than our regular DSP, and it's got really cool gold foiling. So I've done this for some friends of ours for their kids as part of their gifts, and I'm using the Lindor mini egg chocolate eggs. They're so cute, and they're miniature, and they fit very perfectly inside our 2x8 cellophane bags. These are cute. So I'm going to take out one because I'm going to show you how to make one. And instead of using the Blushing Bride or the Soft Sky colours, I'll be using the gold underside because I'm going to give it to some adults as well. So very quick and easy, because this is very last minute for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill up my bag here with 8 Lindor little mini eggs. So they fit 8. So usually I just fill that up. And I have them on this side, and they fit really nicely in this gorgeous bag. So if you're stuck for time, then this kind of project is for you. So I'll just put that in there. It's very cute. Sorry you're watching me do this, but it's a good idea to see how it is in real time. It is very quick once I get my act together. It's not hard at all. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need another 2. And that will be my stop. And that way, you can fit more, but I'd like to have a little bit of a border there. So that's how they look. So I'll pop these away. Oops. One fell down. And pop these away. These are fantastic. So if you're struggling for time, this is great. Alright, so I'll leave this to one side. I'm going to grab a piece of DSP. Now I cut some up the other day, so I'll just take it out, and I leave my leftovers in here, and I've got one cut up already. Now this piece is 1 1/2 inches across by 4 inches down, and I'm going to make it into a banner. So I'm just going to cut up the middle roughly, and just cut from the corner to the middle and the corner to the middle. You can also use our triple banner punch, but I don't have that, so I'm just doing that by hand, and it works out just as good, just as well. I've got a piece of very vanilla cardstock, just some scrap, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp that little bunny, so that one over here, in chocolate chip. And I'll just do a quick stamp there. That's perfect. And I'm going to punch it out in the 1 1/8 scalloped circle punch there. And I'll just center it and cut. Oops. Okay, so that's that one done. And then I'm going to grab my 1 1/2 inch circle and I'm going to punch out a circle like that. And with my 1 3/8 circle inch punch, I'm just going to cut out a circle there with the foil, the gold foil. Okay. And with the bunny here, I'm just going to use a couple of markers. So I'm using Blushing Bride for the nose. So I'll just quickly colour that. And for the ribbon, the bow, I'm going to be using Crumb Cake to sort of look a little bit golden. So I'll show you a close-up of it. Isn't that cute? I love it. Okay. So what I'm going to do with this as well is, just bear with me, I'll just bring my crocodile. There we go. So you can use your hole punch or whatever you've got there. I'm going to be using my crocodile, and this is one that Stampin' Up used to sell many years ago, and I'm just going to cut, I'm going to punch, sorry, a hole so I can put my ribbon through there. So this is very, very simple. What I'll do now is I will grab some glue and I'm just going to glue the middle, put this on top of that one, so I'll just layer it on top evenly. So it looks like that. Isn't that adorable? And then I'm going to put some more glue underneath that and layer it onto the very vanilla. Make sure it's all centered. And that's why I like using liquid glue at times, because it gives you that time to center it and fiddle with it. So I'll let that dry for a second. And I'll just pop it onto here actually and have that ready. I'm actually meeting a friend for lunch today, and I haven't seen her for a little while, and she's on a diet, so I'm just going to give her just a little bit of chocolate just to say I'm thinking of her during Easter. It's very quick and easy. So there you have it. I absolutely love it. As I said, it is very quick. So I'll just grab my chocolates here, and I'll grab my ribbon, and I'm just going to work off the spool because I like doing that, and it saves, you know, it saves money as well and saves your ribbon somewhat. So I'm just going to tie a knot to start off with, and then I'm going to use to thread that through. And I'm going to just, whoops, just cut an even amount there. Okay, and I'll just tie a knot, sorry, a bow now. Go underneath, and there you have it, all done. And I love it in gold. It looks really, really good. There you go. Isn't that cute? And it coordinates quite well with the chocolates too, because I've got a bit of gold in there. So that is my super duper quick Easter gift, and here it is with the soft sky on the underside of that paper and the blushing bride. I absolutely love this. It is so adorable. I hope you do too, and hope you grab this stamp set. This is super adorable, and these punches are great too, and as you can see, you can create some really cute things with it, and they cut out these images absolutely perfectly as well. So I hope you've enjoyed today's very quick Easter treat video, and I hope you find it useful, and for those last minute gifts for your colleagues or friends or whoever, and let them know you're thinking at them at Easter. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you find this helpful, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.